Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to use secret chat on the Telegram app. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to enable the secret chat or how to use secret chats on your Telegram app, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, I just selected my another account on Telegram app. So here, if you just click on this three dot, you can't find anything here. You can find only the options that video call search and whatever that's here. You just need to click on the profile again. Now you have this data option on the top. Click this. Now you have this option called start secret chat. Click this. Now it shows secret chat. Are you sure want to start a secret chat? Yes. Just click on the start. Now it changes to secret chat. So you invited Tilak to join to the secret chat. Secret chats use end-to-end encryption. Leave notice of our server. Have a self-restrict timer. Do not allow forwarding. So these are the options of secret chat. You can find a log symbol on the top of the name. So now it changes to secret chat. This is how you just use the secret chat on your Telegram app. I think this video had you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.